Hello, dear students. How warm welcome to all of you to this wonderful session. My name is Yasin Bukhari and I'm your chemistry teacher. So today I'm very excited to be here with you. And today we are going to study about a very interesting topic, and the name of topic is organic compound. So actually, what is organic compound? So today our topic is organic compound, and the learning object of our today topic. It by the end of this lesson, you will be able to know about what is organic compound, sources of organic compound, real life example, and importance of organic compound. Before going to start the lesson, let me connect my topic with real life example. In daily life, we use different types of the foods from the we obtain the foods from the plants as well as from the animals. So actually, what is the fruits, what is the vegetable, for example, carbohydrates, protein, and lipids. So if somebody asked you what is protein, what is carbohydrate, what is protein, this is actually organic compound. So organic compound, these are very important compounds which we use in our daily life, and you get energy from these compounds. So protein is organic compound, carbohydrate is organic compound, lipid is organic compound. Our body is also made up from the organic compound. Inside our body, proteins, carbohydrates, lipid, DNA, RNA, vitamins, these things are present and these are called organic compound. So these are the best example, the milk that we use and we drink in our daily life. This is the best example of organic compound, egg. And along with this is the grapes, which is the fruits. And this is the meat. And on daily in daily life, we wear the cloths. We also use the cotton, the paper on which we are writing. So all these are the real life example of the organic compound. But actually, in the language of chemistry, how we can define the organic compound? Chemically, from which thing the organic compound is composed, organic compound is made up. So actually organic compound, these are those compound which is made up from the carbon and the hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen is the most important element for the organic compound. So in simple word, we can say those compound which is made up from the carbon and the hydrogen and their derivatives, these compounds are called hydrocarbon. And in other word, we can say hydrocarbon are called organic compound. So inside the organic compound, carbon and hydrogen is the essential element. So what is the essential element of the organic compound? Carbon and hydrogen is the essential element of the organic compound. But along with the carbon and hydrogen, the other element is also present, which is called journal atom. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. So sometimes these element is also present along with carbon and hydrogen. But the most important element for the organic compound is the carbon and the hydrogen. So this is the general structure of the organic compound. So in organic compound, the hydrogen and the carbon is present, which is called carbon hydrogen bond. So there is a carbon hydrogen, carbon hydrogen, carbon hydrogen. So some organic compound may be short chain and some organic compound may be long chain. The you will be discussed in detail in the later classes. Now, we are going to study about what is the main sources of organic compound. Actually, from where the organic compound is coming. So just think about this, from where we can get a meat, from where we can get a milk, from where we can get fruits and vegetable. So mostly organic compound is obtained from the plants and animal as well as the microorganism, the inti. For example, from the animals, we obtain the proteins, the fats and oil. The best example of the protein is the egg, mutton, chicken, beef. So all these are the proteins, and protein is the organic compound which is obtained from the animal. The fats and oil is also the best source of the organic compound, and these are obtained from the animal. Along with this, there are some organic compound that we can obtain from the plants. For example, carbohydrates, the proteins, the vitamins, and the oils. On daily basis, we use different types of the fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetable is obtained from the plants, and fruits and vegetable is the in the language of chemistry we call organic compound. So in daily life we use diesel, petrol, coal tar. So these are also the organic compound which is obtained from the dead plants and the dead animal. So the best source of organic compound is living organism. But there are some organic compounds that we synthesize in the laboratory, and these organic compounds are called synthetic organic compound. So on the base of the source organic compound are of the two types. One is organic source and the second one is the inorganic source. Organic source mean those organic compound which is obtained from the living organism. These are called organic source. For example, fruits, vegetables, milk, egg, meat, carbohydrate, protein, lipids, DNA, RNA. So all these organic compounds are obtained from the living organism. So these are called organic sources. But along with this, there are also some organic compounds which we can synthesize in laboratory. For example, medicine, the vaccine that we use for against for the virus, the antibiotics that we use for the bacteria. So these are also organic compound. The plastic that we use in daily life, the rubber, the glass, all these are the organic compound. But these organic compound are called synthetic organic compound. Synthetic organic compound mean those organic compound which is synthesized in the laboratory. The real life example of organic compound is the oil, petrol, diesel, coal tar. These are the organic compounds. The natural gas that we use in a domestic life in our home. So the gas is actually methane, CH4, which is the organic compound. And this is the koila. The koila is also organic compound. The antibiotics, the vaccine, and the medicines, which is called synthetic organic compound, this is also a best source of organic compound, and these are obtained from the different types of microorganism, and then we synthesize in a laboratory. Actually, the raw material for the vaccine, for the antibiotics, sometimes we can obtain from the fungi. And then after the process, then we convert it to and make a proper antibiotic and vaccine. I think this crystal is very, very clear to you. So, what is the importance of organic compound? So, organic compound is are essential for the food, the plants, the medicine, the fuel, and the everyday products. So there is a lot of the product that we use in our daily life, and these are the organic compound. The most important function of the organic compound is food. So in daily life that we use the carbohydrates, proteins, fats. These are the organic compound. And what is the main purpose of the carbohydrate, protein, and fats? The main purpose of the carbohydrate, protein, and fats, they provide energy. But along with energy, they also perform a various and several functions. They provide energy and build the body tissue. If we think about our hair, so our hair is made up from the proteins. Our nail is also made up from the protein. Inside our blood, there is a protein is present. So these actually coming from the external sources, and these are the best example of the organic compound. Clothing, organic compounds like cotton, cellulose, and wool protein are used to make a cloth. So cloth is a best example of organic compound. The medicine is actually a synthetic organic compound which is synthesized in a pharmaceutical industry, pharmaceutical lab. So a medicine is organic compound and we use for the different purpose to prevent the disease, to prevent the to kill and stop the growth of the bacteria, to kill and stop the growth of the virus. So these are the medicine, and medicines actually organic compound, and these are called synthetic organic compound. Like aspirin and the antibiotics are the organic compound. The plastic and the polymer are the synthetic organic compound. Plastic, rubber, and synthetic are these are the synthetic organic compounds that we used in our daily life for the different purpose. Along with this, the in domestic and in our home, we also use different types of products like soap, shampoo, perfumes, and cosmetic, which are synthetic organic compound. So today, my dear student, today we have discussed about the organic compound. What is organic compound? So actually, organic compound are those compound which is composed and made up from the carbon and hydrogen. The essential element inside the organic compound is carbon and hydrogen, but along with carbon and hydrogen, the other element is also present, which is called journal atom. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur is also present. So in simple word, we can say those compound which is composed from carbon, hydrogen, and their derivatives, these are called organic compound. Or hydrocarbon is a organic compound. The best source of organic compound, so organic compound is obtained from the following two sources. One is organic sources, and the second one is inorganic sources. Organic sources mean those organic compound which is obtained from the living organism. So these are called organic sources. For example, proteins, carbohydrate, lipids, vitamins. So all these are the organic compound which is obtained from the living organism. So these are called living sources, organic sources. But beside this, there are some organic compound which is synthesized in the laboratory like medicine, antibiotic, clothing, and cottons. And the real life example of organic compound is oil, gas, and koala. Okay, and what is the important function of organic compounds? So organic compound perform a various functions that we use as a for the purpose of the food, and the food provide energy and also help in the growth, reproductions, and also different physiological activity. The clothing, medicines, the fuel, the plastic, and the polymer. Along with this is the cosmetic and detergent is also the best source of the organic compound. Thank you. And do you have any questions, so you can ask frequently?